गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं संजय सिंह, असिस्टेंट टीचर ऑफ विष्णु भगवान पब्लिक स्कूल्स। आपका ई लर्निंग क्लास में स्वागत है। हम लोग जैसा कि हम लोग प्रीवियस चैप्टर में फर्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल, एलुवियल सॉइल हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड। नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल स्टडी अबाउट ब्लैक सॉइल। ब्लैक सॉइल, एज वी नो दैट ब्लैक सॉइल is especially found, it is formed by the breaking of the rocks, and it is especially found in India, in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and some part of Andhra Pradesh. This and Madhya Pradesh. These are the area where the black soil is also found. Black soil is known as a different soil, just like as a regur as well as the cotton soil. Because black soil is very much important for the growing of the cotton crops, that's why black soil is known as a cotton soil. And this is the reason that in Gujarat and Maharashtra are some part of Madhya Pradesh are leading producer of the cotton because of the availability of the black soil. Black soil is made up of very tiny particles. That's why the reason its water holding capacity is very strong, and after drying it also creates the cracks. You have seen that at the drought period you have seen different types of the cracks in the fields of the farmer. So such types of the cracks are especially formed by the black soil. This soil is rich nutrients by lime, iron, magnesium, potash and phosphoric. And this soil is very important for the growing of soybean as well as the cotton crops. Because of the cotton crops, variable of cotton crops, this soil is considered as a black soil, as a cotton soil. Now we will study about the red soil, red or yellow soil. Red or yellow soil. Red or yellow soil. Red soil is red because of the availability of the iron components in large amount. Because of the iron components, red soil looks red or yellow or brown. Basically, this soil is not useful for agriculture activities, but in some areas by utilizing the fertilizers as well as water irrigation, some crops like gingers are grown in the red or yellow soil. These soil are facing the एक तरीके से कहें कि दिस रेड सॉइल इज फेसिंग द लैक ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट्स, दैट्स व्हाई द रीजन इट इज वेरी लेस फर्टाइल. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द नेक्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल. लैटराइट सॉइल. लैटराइट सॉइल. लैटराइट सॉइल. लैटराइट सॉइल, this word has been belonging from the Latin word later. This soil is found areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall area. Laterite soil में is also very less fertile, and इसकी less fertility का एक very important reason है that is leaching process. This is laterite soil is found in heavy rainfall area, and in very heavy rainfall area there is a process that is known as leaching. In this process, because of the heavy rainfall area, the rainwater entered into the underground, and in this process the water available present the minerals and fertility factors on the surface of the soil is carried by the water into the inside. बेसिकली अगर मैं हिंदी में समझाने की कोशिश करूं तो लैटराइट सॉइल हैवी रेनफॉल एरिया में पाई जाती है और ये अपने साथ क्या करती है कि जो हैवी रेनफॉल का वाटर होता है वो जब अंडरग्राउंड इंटर करता है तो वो अर्थ के सरफेस के इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स के साथ विच इज डिसॉल्वेबल इन द वाटर, वो वाटर के साथ इंटर कर जाते हैं ऑन इनसाइड या डीप में चले जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई द रीजन अपर लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल बिकम्स अनफर्टाइल. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो अनफिट फॉर द ग्रोइंग ऑफ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द क्रॉप्स. आफ्टर दैट बच्चों हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एरिड सॉइल. एरिड सॉइल इज आल्सो एरिड सॉइल. एरिड सॉइल. एरिड सॉइल. Arid soil is found in those area where there is less rainfall, like Rajasthan, Western Rajasthan, and some part of Gujarat and some part of Maharashtra. Especially, it is found in Western Rajasthan. The particles of arid soil is comparatively larger. Result is that its water holding capacity is very स्मॉल. और जैसा कि तुम लोग देख सकते हो बच्चों कि अगर बालू में पानी डाल दो और दोपहर में डाल दो, शाम को देखो जाकर तो पूरी बालू आपको सूखी मिलेगी, बिकॉज वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी इसकी बहुत कम है. और इसका मेन रीजन है कि इसके पार्टिकल्स काफी बड़े होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये वाटर को होल्ड अप नहीं कर पाते हैं और एयर मतलब इन तक काफी अंदर तक चली जाती है और उस वो वाटर को इवोपरेट करके लेके अपने साथ चली जाती है. इसी वजह से कहा जाता है कि वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द एरिड सॉइल की बहुत कम होती है. एंड स्पेशली एज वी नो दैट देयर इज वेरी लेस वेजिटेशंस इन द डेजर्ट एरिया, सो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स इज आल्सो very less organic compound is also present in this soil, but some types of the crop like bajra, jowar can be grown in these types of soil. Now next types of the soil is forest or mountain soil. Forest or mountain soil are those soil which is found in forest because different types of the leaf continuous decayed and mixed with the soil. That's why the reason this is comparatively fertile soil. In this way, we have completed this part of soil chapter and different types of the soil. And now in next chapter, next part of the lecture, next lecture, we will complete about the soil erosion.